Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find a MoneyPass ATM near you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, as I will always recommend, I recommend you hit that subscribe button down below, tap the notification bell to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. So guys, MoneyPass is one of the largest surcharge-free networks, ATM networks in the country. It boasts over 40,000 ATMs throughout the country. This means whether you are located in this location, be you are located in Washington or California, be the state, regardless of the state, you will surely find a MoneyPass ATM operating in your area. And also today we have over 2,000 organizations and over 160 million cardholders that rely on MoneyPass ATMs to access their accounts, whether it is on the go, at work, or even at home. It just depends on how they want to access their funds. So guys, locating a MoneyPass ATM, as earlier said, is very easy, and of course you can easily find one in your location. So the first thing you want to do is to open your phone and go to the MoneyPass website. From here you have to enter your zip code or your city or even your state, or alternatively you can go to the ATM locator. At this ATM locator, I always prefer coming to this ATM locator because here you have access to the map itself, where you can just scroll, zoom in or zoom out at any location. So the green spots here are actually the MoneyPass ATM locations. All these green spots are the MoneyPass ATM location, and if you click on one, it's going to give you more detail, like this Broadway ATM. Zooming into the map, it opens things even more conveniently, and you can see how it is being structured. From here you can easily know where the ATM is located. So if I want to go on to the details of this location, you can see it is a surcharge-free ATM. This means you can withdraw funds from this ATM without having to pay any fee. That's actually crazy, and it's accessible 24/7. And coming to the actions, this is where you can have a street view, get directions. So if you click on this get directions, it's going to open Google Maps, and from there you'll be able to locate the ATM through the directions. You get directions leading to the ATM. Just wait for this little okay, and yeah, you can see how you can get through these. You can get to this location. You can get through vehicle, boat, car, or even through foot in 39 days. That's actually fast. So the best is actually through a vehicle, and it's going to take 30 some hours. This means this location is not a convenient location for me, and you can see even through plane that's at least 5 hours as an estimate. So you just go back. If the location is not convenient for you, just go back, and the best is always to enter your zip code. So let me just enter that real quick and tap on this go right here. Okay, so you can see how all of these have been grouped in the all the ATMs, all the nearby ATMs have been grouped based on the zip code I entered earlier. So clicking on location to get its details. It's a surcharge-free ATM as you should expect, and it's open 24 hours. It's also off premises and supports EMV. And coming to the actions, click on direction, and you see this one is not that far. So yeah, I just entered the random zip code. You can also enter your location. Let me enter location nearby. Go. awesome. So I'll just click on this one. It's open 24 hours and the actions, and go to the directions. Alright, you see this one is even convenient. 6 hours and very quick to access this ATM. That's way too far. So guys, you just have to continue scrolling up or searching through the available options to find the best and nearest ATM near you. This was just a sketch, and for the purpose of this tutorial, I've gone through different ATM locations for your best comprehension. You can scroll through the location list here as well and find a location that's nearby your area. Hopefully you're going to find out, very surely you'll find an ATM that's in your area. You find a nearby ATM in your area in no time, in the photo. If you click on the street view, this is just how the ATM location should look like. This is where the ATM is located, and thanks to Google Map, things have become even easier to find an ATM location nowadays. So guys, this is how to locate a nearby MoneyPass ATM near you. Remember, you'll be able to make surcharge-free ATM withdrawals through any of these ATMs. And also, there's another way to access these MoneyPass ATMs. Nowadays, over 2,000 organizations have partnered with MoneyPass to offer surcharge-free ATMs. And if you are a customer of Capital One Bank, you should be able to withdraw funds from any MoneyPass ATMs without having to pay any fee. Yeah, surcharged free. So you just need to check with your bank to know if they have partnered with this ATM network, and if they have, you'll be able to access your funds at home, at work, or even on the go, anywhere within the country. So guys, this is how you locate a MoneyPass ATM near your location. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and give it a thumbs up to increase the reach to people that were also once in your situation. So guys, I'll catch you on the next one.